Alright guys, so we finally broken the clutch on the Coyote. We'll do like a baby one right here. But oh my gosh, she's so good. I have to know the shift feature on, which does slow the car down, so I should probably turn that off, but so I can just normally shift fast. But she feels good. She's good. No lockouts, no nothing. Ready to go into the mom-mobile. I'm gonna take the SVT when you wake up from a nap. And the Honda SVT. If you guys saw, we just withdrew about a few $100s, and we're gonna be getting a little mod here for the 5.0 as the Cobra gets back on its feet. So that should hopefully cure it for a tiny bit and prep it for what I want to do later potentially, but in the meantime it'll be good for what I did. So we'll see you guys in a bit.
So you have the 1840.
That's light. That was a light.
What's up, bro?
And this by 1320.
Yeah. Go.
Turn on.
Oh yeah, it was on my car.
Pretty good.
Yeah, it was helping good.
Did it work?
Yeah, that shit, like the RPM, the torque.
Yeah. I heard that they cracked it.
Very good. MMR lockout.
Yeah, that's what are the MMR lockouts? Look.
Full throttle and it just like 82 on my car.
Yeah. Damn, 82?
Yeah.
Holy shit. So we'll be able to rev out a little higher too.
But I think that's what happened. My shit fucked up. I redlined it.
This food.
What's up? Yeah. Doesn't feel like a. I ordered my clutch.
Those lights. Thanks. Yeah, I saw this stupid ass thing rip shit on. So we just got the ported manifold. Shout out to my boy. He had it on his 5.0. And the only thing I think we're gonna want to get is the lockouts for the manifold, and then also the injectors, and that's pretty much it. So the 5.0 should be putting in work, and on top of that it'll be ready for boost too later. So pray to God that the manifold doesn't bust, because I mean okay guys, so like I said earlier, we got the ported 18 manifold. We put on the grass right here, check it out. So this is a 18 manifold. So to give you guys a little brief summary, the stock 18 manifold is already a better piece and better higher flowing than normal. So with that, on top of that, if you port the 18 manifold, it's way more better flowing. So supposedly this is a 1320 Junkie ported 18 manifold. They go for like $650 new, so we picked this up for a good price. Shout out to the boy. And one thing that I will be getting is the MMR lockouts, so we'll see about that, and we'll catch you guys in a bit.
All the love that I was showing, you don't show no recognition. You was never on the same page, a whole nother dimension. Wish you never hit me up.
But no matter what happens, no matter how much we modify this car, this one will always be the one that I'm gonna favor the most. Alright guys, so we got the 5.0 and first gen 5.0 pushing. God damn, that train's so loud, but this one's very fast, it's full bolt on, but we'll see what happens tonight. Dang, CTSV right here guys. That cam goes hard. God damn.
Oh, you parking forward? You parking forward, bro? Come on, man.
What's done to it?
Huh?
What's done to it?
Muffler delete.
Oh shit, muffler delete? Just intake tune and headers, yeah.